Okay guys, so if you are new here, welcome. I'm Diva Decorating. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Okay guys, so today is Tablescape Sunday, and today's title of the video is Purple Mother's Day Tablescape. I'm Diva Decorating, and I am your host for this Sunday. My co-hosts are Diva's Dynasty, which consists of Tammy from Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Lynn from Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Miss Alberta, Mysterious Alberta, Miss Cynthia from Cynthia, She's So Blessed. And we are Diva's Dynasty. Okay guys, so some of the rules for this Sunday's Tablescape was that you have to use the color purple or any shade of purple, like lavender or any shade, okay? The second rule was that you have to tell a special memory about your mom, whether she's passed on or not. Just share a special moment or a special memory with us. And third was just to have some purple Mother's Day fun. Okay? So guys, I'm going to get into showing you first my purple Mother's Day tablescape. I hope you enjoy the video, and if at the end you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not a family member already, please remember to subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and share this video. I would like to thank my co-host, Diva's Dynasty. Thank you, ladies. And I will continue now on to show you my tablescape. Okay, guys, so before we get to the tablescape, though, I want to share my special thing about my mother, my biological mother, and my adopted mother. Well, first about my adopted mother. She was a sweetheart. My mother was the kind of person that everyone loved, okay? She showed so much hospitality. If you came to our house, everybody loved her. She would cook for you. I mean, she really was outspoken, though. Um, I did like that about her. She was very outspoken. Um, but she just kind of had that heart and that spirit that everyone loved and everyone wanted to be around her. Everybody called her mom, and she was just wonderful. And my biological mother, the thing that I liked about her is that she set me up on a pedestal all the time. She was in a nursing home for a number of years, and I would go visit her, and when I would visit her, it's like her whole life just lit up. When she would see me walk in, it's like she was just the proudest mother that ever was. She had a smile so big, and she made sure that all the nurses knew who I was, and she would just put me up on a pedestal to them. You know, she was like, this is the best daughter, and this is my daughter, and she would just be so happy to see me. So that's my special thing that I liked about her and that I remember about her, okay? And the both of them, they both were terrific mothers, and I really, truly miss them, and I really miss them. Okay, guys, so before I get all mushy, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the table now. place setting, which is the place setting for Mom. She's the celebratee. And as you can see, I am using purple table runners. They are satin and they are from eFavorMart, which I see they on the camera they are coming off as blue. They are very much purple. I don't know why it's coming off as blue on camera, but they are purple. Um, I'm using my white plate set, which you have seen many times before, only I added a little sparkle to it. I have the iridescent gems going all around the dinner plate. And I have my salad plate and my bowl and the cup, which was all a set. Now the saucers are all different. They didn't come in the set. I'm also using this charcoal napkin ring. It's also from eFavorMart. If not eFavorMart, it's probably from Tablecloth Factory, I believe. Yeah, I believe it's Tablecloth Factory I purchased those from. And right beside it, I have my silverware, which I just tied with a lavender scarf, and I tied it in a bow. And for Mom's drink, I have my coffee cup, which she probably will have some tea, which will be me having tea. And there is the little silver bowl with the selective teas inside. And I have my Mother's Day Dollar Tree purple wine glass here that says Happy Mother's Day, and it has some pink lemonade in it. And in the chair for Mom, I just have a bag, a gift bag with some paper in it, some purple paper, and that will be my gift. And I just tied this purple scarf around the chair to let everyone know that this is my seat. And I have this beautiful bracelet here that I just decided to put around the knot of the scarf. And it's also tied with a lavender scarf. Okay, I'm going to move on to the food. All the place settings are the same, so I'm not going to go over all of them. For the brunch, we have French toast. We have bowls of fruit salad. We have eggs that are scrambled. We have link sausages. We have the round sausage patties. We have bacon strips. We have potatoes or home fries. We have pancakes. And I just have that sitting on a turkey silver platter that's also from the Dollar Tree. I needed something big enough to put everything on. And we just have the plastic serving spoons from the Dollar Tree. And my purple runners are running this way down the middle, and they are running across. I decided not to use chargers since I had the two purple table runners. There's just a little trinket of a wine glass that has purple confetti in it and has bling going down the stem of the wine glass. And on this side, we have ham and cheese and turkey runners with olives, and we have ham. So this is the brunch meal. I also had some sweets, but I didn't have enough room to put them on the table. We're going to have some donuts, but I do have a small table, so there was not enough room to fit everything, and I didn't want to crowd it up. So I'm stepping back so you can take a good look of how everything looks. Guys, don't forget to show everyone some love in Diva's Dynasty. Watch everybody's video because we have a wonderful, wonderful group of ladies that join in on us with these Sunday tablescapes, and they tablescapes just be awesome. And I love them, and I really appreciate them joining us on Tablescape Sundays. They give us so many ideas and so much inspiration. So please make sure you go over and watch everyone's video. So thank you guys so much. Oh, I didn't tell you about the centerpiece. Almost forgot the centerpiece. Okay, the centerpiece. I just have this, I guess you call it a mercury jar. I picked that up from Home Goods, and it's silver. And that's what I'm holding my faux purple lavender array of flowers in. And this boa is coming off as blue as well, but it is very much purple. And I just decided to just tie it around the bottom of the vase. If this wasn't coming off blue, guys, you could see how beautiful the purple, all the purple and the lavenders go together. So guys, until next time, bye bye, my loves.